Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. As you know, in the world of woodworking, especially carpentry, you must be familiar with miter saw machine. So in this video, I am Rendra Eka Febrian, a student at State Vocational High School 3 of Surabaya. Class 11 TKP number 22 will show you how to operate a miter saw machine safely. Before we get into the steps, let me tell you the goal of this video, the tool and the materials you need. The goal of this video is to learn the correct and safe way to use a miter saw machine. The tool and the materials you need, of course, a miter saw machine, the material to cut, which is wood, and safety equipment, which is a goggle and a dust mask. Follow these steps to operate a miter saw machine safely. First, make sure a miter saw machine is placed on a stable surface and plugged in securely. Secondly, use safety equipment, which is a goggle and a dust mask. Thirdly, set the cutting angle. Use the angle guide on the base to adjust to the desired angle. How to change the angle is, you first do like this, and then press this button, and then move left or right. Angles on the base include 0 degree, 15 degree, 22.5 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degree. Fourthly, place the wood against the back fence and hold it securely with one hand, and keeping your hand away from the blade. And then turn on the saw by pressing the safety trigger. And slowly lower the blade toward the wood. Apply steady pressure as you cut through the wood, allowing the blade to move smoothly. Finally, unplug the saw and clear away any sawdust. So guys, those are the steps for operating a miter saw machine safely. Always follow this guideline, including wearing a goggle and a dust mask to protect yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video and your attention. I hope after watching this video, you can operate a miter saw machine for cutting. See you later guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.